Day 31 of our 108 Sacred Item. Your laptop is where your ideas become reality. Let's start your workstation for effortless creativity and focus. Close your eyes or open your eyes as you feel so. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Feel the pulse of inspiration. Place your hands or palms towards your laptop and say softly in your heart, Reiki flow, flow, flow. This helps in clearing mental fog and technical glitches and helps that your digital work vibrate at high frequency success and reaches the right audience. Follow for part 32, the manifestation pen, writing your destiny.